Hi guys, how y'all doing? It's the Diva Caramel back here again to bring another video to you. So I'm just here to show you how I take my hair from Drab to Fab. Okay, so it's like I wasn't feeling too much to style my hair, and I was wearing it like this for about a week or so. So I just wanted to, just decided to come and show you guys how I take my hair from being like this to looking like really nice. Okay, so but before I do that, I want to shout out one of my subbies, Ashley. Yeah, hi Ashley, so nice to have met you. And yeah, she's a contact on my Facebook, and she's also a sub here on YT. So hey Ash. So she came and she got her nails did and her hair did, and I thank you very much for supporting me both on YT and in actuality. So yeah, what was I saying? Okay, so right, a little about the hair. Okay, so I had my hair did since November the 15th last year for a wedding on the 17th, and I'm still having the hair. So that's roughly like 10 weeks or so that I had my hair in. I told you before it was lush hair. I told you it's Malaysian Wavy. I told you it's 14. No, sorry. I told you it's 16, 18, and 20. Okay? So, yeah. So, here goes. Okay, so I had my hair. I had my hair in this braid for like a week or so. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling to do nothing much with the hair at all. So, I just had it in this braid, and I just put on my tan to cover up the mess. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I take it from this hot mess to looking really nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you some of the tools I'll be using. I'll first detangle it with the comb. I'll probably give it a few brushes with this brush, and then this fine tooth comb, I'll use this also. Okay, so it must be dry by now, so I'll use some argan oil. I'll just use some argan oil to give it back its shine and stuff like that. And today these will be the tools I'm using. I'm using the curling one, and I'm also using the flat iron. Okay guys, yeah, so I won't be doing any talking throughout styling the hair. So thanks guys, thanks for subbing to all my new subbies, thanks a lot. And I'll just show you how I take the hair from Drab to Fab. Stay tuned. I need your heart. I need your heart.
need your heart. Oh, I need your heart. Oh, I need your heart. Oh, I need your heart.
Show you this is my leave out. So although you have your hair weave and stuff, you still have to take care of your leave out. You can, even if you have your hair weave, you can still treat your leave out and try not to put too much heat on it. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. So just wanted to show you that this is my leave out. Okay, and as I told you, I relaxed the hair in between, touch it up if it starts to get too much new growth, because then it won't blend well with your extensions. Okay, so right.
I need your heart. Oh, I need your heart.
Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like how I took my hair from being drab to quite fab. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my other video. Okay, bye. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Okay guys, thanks, enjoy, bye.
I need your heart.